Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily delete your drivers from your printer on Windows 8. So for doing this you just need to write in search tab printers, so just write printer, and here you will see devices and printers, and here you can see also my printer Canon MPad 250. So just right click on it, and here you will find delete device. So just click on delete device and click yes. So after you do it, it will successfully delete all drivers from your device, from your computer with this device. So after you reconnect it, it will automatically start installing new drivers. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.